Hi, I'm Claire. I'm 5 o'clock apron on Instagram, and I'm here at home cooking with my Everhot, showing you how I like to use it at home, especially over the Christmas period. So I've got my turkey frame here, which has been well picked over. I'm going to make an overnight stock, which is so easy, but a really useful way to use your slow oven, in that you're going to bring up the pan to the boil and just chuck it in the bottom oven and leave that to bubble away, smelling delicious. Some leeks and some celery and some onion, roughly chopped, into a big pan. I've got some thyme, fine with the stalks on, it's going to be strained. I've got some parsley and I've got some bay leaves. Right, we've barely covered our turkey frame with some cold water, and we're going to bring that up to the bubble here on the hot plate, and then we're going to pop it in our simmer oven and leave it there throughout the day or overnight until it's the most delicious and richly flavoured turkey stock. Right, so we've got this stock, which has been going for about 10-12 hours overnight. It smells so rich and delicious. You can see it's just, you know, a really delicious, fragrant turkey stock. And my suggestion for you here would be to pop it into smaller containers and freeze it, and then you've got enough stock, you know, to use in recipes such as pies or risottos throughout the year, really. So just freeze this in sort of 200ml little containers if you've got enough freezer space, or keep some in the fridge and just use that as you go. That should keep you going for at least a couple of months.